Good afternoon, students. Today we are going to discuss chapter 6 linear equations in two variables. In that exercise 5, the first question. The question is given, give the graphical representation of the following equation. In that question A, on the number line. So in that the first question is given x is equals to 3. Okay na? X is equals to 3. So simply I am drawing a horizontal line. Okay na? We know this is middle 0, from 0 to right side positive and from 0 to left side negative. So we can say that this is what we can represent 3 here because of this is from origin and 0 to number line, from 0 to right side on the number line. How many steps? 3 steps lo undi. Okay, so like this we can represent. Again the same thing, దీన్నే on Cartesian plane B, the same question what nanu on the Cartesian plane. On the Cartesian plane, same question. What is the question? X is equals to 3. So on the number line, just now we seen it. On the Cartesian plane ante we should draw the x-axis and the y-axis. Okay, y dash. This is the origin. So 1 2 3 4 minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 1 2 3 4 minus 1 minus 2 minus 3. Okay students, this is what nana Cartesian plane. So in that I am going to draw the graphical representation of a x is equals to 3. అంటే ఈక్వేషన్ ఏమొస్తుందిరా ఇక్కడ ఈ 3ని ట్రాన్స్పోజ్ చేసుకుంటే x minus 3 is equals to 0. సో అంటే x is equals to 3 వస్తుంది. సో from 0 to from origin to ox అనే రేలో ఇక్కడ ఉంటుంది. సో దెన్ if you draw the graph like this, yes, which is parallel to x minus 3 is equals to 0, and that is nothing but x is equals to 3, the graphical representation which is parallel to y-axis. Okay na? The graphical representation of x minus 3 is equals to 0. This is parallel to what nana? Y-axis. Y-axis ki parallel undi. Okay, now see the second question. Given y plus 3 is equals to 0. Y plus 3 is equals to what nana? 0. So simply what I am doing here, transposing 3 to RHS side, then y is equals to minus 3 will come. So simply you draw a y number line like this. We know this is middle is 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, from 0 to down, and from 0 to upwards what nana?
1 2 3
minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, 1 2 3. Okay, so the value of y is equals to minus 3. అంటే మైనస్ 3 అనేది మనం ఇక్కడ నంబర్ లైన్లో ఇలా రిప్రజెంట్ చేయొచ్చు. ఓకేనా? మైనస్ 3 కదా, అంటే 0కి డౌన్ ఇక్కడ రిప్రజెంట్ చేయొచ్చు. అగైన్ ద సేమ్ వన్, దీన్ని హౌ టు రిప్రజెంట్ ఆన్ ద కార్టీషియన్ ప్లేన్. కార్టీషియన్ ప్లేన్ అంటే దిస్ వన్ కోఆర్డినేట్ సిస్టమ్. మైనస్ 3, y ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు మైనస్ 3, అంటే మైనస్ 3 అనేది y యాక్సిస్లో ఎక్కడ ఉంది? దిస్ ఈజ్ మైనస్ 3. ఓకే, ఇక్కడ ఉంది మైనస్ 3. ఎస్, దెన్ యూ జస్ట్ డ్రా ఏ లైన్ త్రూ ద పాయింట్. Now this is what nana? Y plus 3 is equals to 0. Now it's a graphical representation. Y plus 3 is equals to 0. అంటే y is equals to -3. I draw a line through this point. It is parallel to x-axis. It is parallel to x-axis. Now see the another question. In that third question is given y is equals to 4. Y is equals to what, Nana? 4. Again draw a number line like this. 0 down వచ్చేసి what, Nana? -1 -2 like that. Upside 1 2 3 4. So y is equals to what, Nana? 4. అంటే on the number line we can represent like this. Yes, on the Cartesian plane, అంటే ఈ యాక్సిస్ లో మనం ఎలా చేస్తాం. Then the value of y is equals to what, Nana? 4. అంటే y యాక్సిస్ లో y వాల్యూ 4 ఎక్కడ ఉంది? పాజిటివ్ ఇక్కడ. సో దెన్ through this point you draw a number line. You just draw a line. Then what is the required equation? This is y minus 4 is equals to 0. అంటే ఈ 4 ఇటు వచ్చేస్తే -4. Then its graph, it is parallel to what, Nana? X-axis. Okay na students? So like this. Now the next question. The next question is fourth one. 2x minus 9 is equals to 0. 2x minus 9 is equals to 0. Then if I transpose 9 to RHS side, then what happened? 2x is equals to plus 9. Then x is equals to, we can write transposing 2 to RHS side, it becomes division quantity. In 2 quantities becomes division quantity. 2 ones are 2, 4.5s are. Okay, now we get x is equals to 4.5. So draw a line. Okay, draw a line like this. From 0, here middle is 0. From 0 to left negative numbers. From 0 to right positive. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay na. So ikkada manam scale vachesi on the x-axis or on the y-axis we are taking only 1 unit only. Okay na. 1 centimeter is equals to 1 unit. So now see, I get x value is equals to what, Nana? 4.5. అంటే 4.5 అంటే ఆన్ ద నంబర్ లైన్ 4కి 5కి మధ్యలో ఇన్ బిట్వీన్ 4 and 5 ఒక బిగ్ లైన్ ఉంటుంది. సో దట్ ఈస్ వాట్, నా ఫిఫ్త్ లైన్. అంటే దానికి ఇక్కడ మనం పాయింట్ పెట్టేస్తే దిస్ ఈస్ ద రిక్వైర్డ్ పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ x is equals to 4.5 on the number line like this. But on the Cartesian plane, Cartesian plane అంటే this one. ఇక్కడ ఎలా రిప్రజెంట్ చేస్తాం? x is equals to 4.5. So you take here 5, then ఈ 4 x value 4.5. yes, అంటే ఈ 4కి 5కి మధ్యలో ఇక్కడ ఉంటుంది 4.5. you just draw a line through this point. Okay, draw a line through this point. Then what is the equation, Nana? This is 2x minus 9 is equals to 0. So the graph of 2x minus 9 is equals to 0, which is parallel to which axis, Nana? Which is parallel to y axis. Okay na? ఇది దేనికి parallel ఉంది? y axis కి parallel ఉంది. So like this we can represent on the number line and as well as on the Cartesian plane. Okay. Okay students, now question number 3. Solve the equation 3x plus 2 is equals to 8x minus 8 and represent the solution on the number line, the Cartesian plane. Okay, see here I am taking the equation. What is the given equation, Nana?
3x plus 2.
The given equation, that is what, 3x plus 2 is equals to 8x minus 8. Now what I am doing here, transposing 3x to RHS side and transposing minus 8 to LHS side. Then what happened? Ikkada 2 ఉంటుంది. Minus 8 transposing to LHS side, it becomes plus 8. And here 8x is there. Plus 3x is transposing to RHS side, it becomes minus 3x. Then 2 plus 8 is equals to 10. 8 minus 3x is equals to, that is 5x. Then transposing 5 to LHS side, then 10 by 5 is equals to x. 5 ones are, 5 twos are. So x is equals to what, Nana? We get 2. Okay, so then I am going to draw the equation. First of all, I am drawing the number line. Yeah, this is the number line. 0, 1, 2, 3, minus 1, minus 2, like this. So the value of x is equals to, we get what, Nana? That is 2. Means from 0 to origin to on the x-axis. If it is origin, okay, it is what, Nana? Ikkada untundi 2 value. So then you keep like this a dot. On the Cartesian plane, Cartesian plane ante, again you draw the vertical axis and horizontal axis. X dash, y dash. Origin 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. I taken scale on the x-axis and the y-axis. 1 unit is equals to 1 centimeter. So we get x value is what, Nana? 2. Ante on the x-axis plus 2 ante ikkada undi. So if you draw the line through this point, that is what, Nana? 3x plus 2. 3x plus 2 ante manaki em vachindi ikkada 5x is equals to 10. Then transpose cheskunte 5x minus 10. That is what, Nana? Equation 5x minus 10 is equals to 0. It's a graphical representation which is parallel to y-axis. So like this you can solve the answers by using the number line and the Cartesian plane. Okay na students? So this is the required solution for the question. Thank you.